Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 13 from Madani Qaida Tashdeed. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is tashdid? Viewers, the W sign is called tashdid. What is mushaddad letter? A letter which has a tashdid sign or W sign on it is called mushaddad letter. This sign always placed above the letter. How do we pronounce mushaddad letter? We pronounce the mushaddad letter twice. First, by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then by its own harkat with a slight pause, holding down slightly. How we pronounce mushaddad letter we will see in this lesson with example. What is mutaharrik letter? Any letter which has any harkat from zabar, zir or pesh on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. What is the meaning of kalkala? The meaning of kalkala is movement. There should be some movement in the makhraj. What is the meaning of makhraj? The literal meaning of the word makhraj is the point of exit or the place of pronunciation for any letter. In term of tajweed, the place where an Arabic letter is pronounced from is called makhraj. It means place of pronunciation for any letter from our mouth is called makhraj. How many letters of kalkala? There are 5 letters of kalkala and they are dal, jim, ba, sa and qaf, and their combination is qutubu jaddin. How do we pronounce when the letters of kalkala are mushaddad? When the letters of kalkala are mushaddad, we pronounce them with emphasis. Let's see the examples. Here, ta is kalkala letter and ta is also mushaddad letter because ta has W sign on it. And mushaddad letter we pronounce twice. And kalkala letter, when kalkala is mushaddad, we pronounce with emphasis. Let's see how we pronounce this kalkala mushaddad letter. Mushaddad letter we pronounce twice. First, connecting it by the letter joining just coming before it. Here Hamza is mutaharrik letter. We know that any letter which has any sign, any harkat, zabar, zir, pesh on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. Here Hamza is mutaharrik letter. And secondly, ta will be pronounced by its own harkat. Ta has zabar harkat on it. How do we spell this kalkala mushaddad letter? We pronounce hamza ta zabar at ta zabar ta at to, and to is also Mustaliya letter. We pronounce Mustaliya letter with thicker voice or heavy voice in every condition. Hamza, to, zabar, auto, to, zabar, to, auto. The second example of Kalkala Mushaddad letter is here. To is Kalkala letter as well as to has W sign on it. To is also Mushaddad letter, and we know that when Kalkala letter is Mushaddad we pronounce it with emphasis, and Mushaddad letter we pronounce twice. First, by joining it the letter Mutaharrik letter just coming before it. Here Hamza is Mutaharrik letter because Hamza has Zair below it, and we know that any letter which has any harkat, zabbar, zair or pesh on it or below it is called Mutaharrik letter. And to is also Mustaliya letter, and Mustaliya letter we pronounce with thicker voice or heavy voice in every condition. Let's spell how do we pronounce this Mushaddad Kalkala and Mustaliya letter. Hamza, to, zir, it, to, zabar, to, it, to. Hamza, to, zir, it, to, zabar, to, it, to. The next example of Kalkala Mushaddad letter is here. To is Kalkala letter and to also is Mushaddad letter because to has W sign on it, and Mushaddad letter we pronounce twice. First, by joining it the Mutaharrik letter just coming before it. Here Hamza is Mutaharrik letter because Hamza has pesh on it, and we know that any letter which has any harkat, zabbar, zair or pesh on it or below it is called Mutaharrik letter. And to is also Mustaliya letter, and Mustaliya letter we pronounce with thicker voice or heavy voice in every condition. And this is also Kalkala letter, and Kalkala is Mushaddad here, and we know that when Kalkala letter is Mushaddad we pronounce it with emphasis. Let's spell how do we pronounce Hamza, to, pesh, ut, to, zabar, to, ut, to. Hamza, to, pesh, ut, to, zabar, to, ut, to. These are the examples of Kalkala Mushaddad letters. In coming videos, inshallah, we will learn more example of Mushaddad Kalkala letters. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.